We are GreenBead. We are an interdisciplinary group of highly skilled biochemists, molecular biologists, virologists, and material scientists, all with a common interest in developing novel applications for improved biomolecular purification protocols. Separation technology of biomolecules, for example antibodies, proteins, DNA, RNA, are one of the most complex and important areas of biotechnology. Protein purification and biomolecular immunoprecipitation from complex mixtures are basic methods and crucial factors for both academic and industrial biotechnology developments, and also has applications in routine medical diagnostic procedures. To isolate a protein of interest or a specific strand of DNA for further investigation, one must have a solid material specifically designed to bind your chosen biomolecules, and for some applications expensive machines are necessary to use the binding material. Even by using advanced machinery, at the end of the day, researchers discovered that instead of obtaining only one specific pure protein, several different ones have got a free ride into the final purified preparation. This so-called background binding can be a serious issue in case of pharmaceutical proteins like insulin or human growth factor, and results in additional expensive purification steps. Materials available on the market at the moment are very expensive. For example, an average per gram of purified protein at lab scale, the cost for solid carriers is €500 alone. For the more advanced magnetic carriers, the cost reaches up to €1,200 to isolate 1 gram of a specific protein. Only in Estonia, there are over 50 scientific laboratories and at least 4 industrial companies using solid carriers for biomolecular separation. Worldwide, the market for the material is driving up to €1.1 billion for 2014. GreenBead is developing a nanotechnological solution for protein isolation. Our nano-sized biomolecule carriers are able to bind molecules without significant background. Our materials have similar physical properties to biomolecules itself. This enables us to recollect these biomolecules after an extensive purifying process, and they are still unharmed and biologically active. Our nanotechnological approach will have tremendous options for scaling up the capacity of accommodated biomolecules per gram of material used, thus lowering the cost of operation. Our synthesis approach is very promising in lowering material price to a highly competitive level. By using Vega funding, GreenBead is developing low-cost synthesis and extraction protocol for magnetic nanomaterials. Our goal is a prototype synthesis protocol enabling us to recruit raw materials and generate processes suitable for industrial use. GreenBead will obtain the capacity to produce nanomagnetic carriers with a very competitive price for large-scale biomolecular separation. To support our progress, we are developing close collaboration with Icosagen and Solus Biodyne. Our carrier technology has found warm feedback in their industrial-scale protein purification processes, and our collaborative agreements will only benefit in further R&D aspects. Together with our partner, the Estonian Nanotechnologies Development Center, we have already screened several protocols and materials to verify our proof of concept. By the end of the Vega Fund-supported project deadline, GreenBead will have an extensively characterized nanocarrier synthesis protocol for protein purification applications. Our partners will also act as our first customers, helping GreenBead develop a cash flow, allowing further developments. GreenBead, for better science.